So I've already gotten started. I've taken some of the stuff out here. And there's a little bit over there. Some of the stuff here, but this is what I'm working on. All this. These shelves, I'm going to try and straighten them, make more room for stuff, get rid of some stuff. And here we go. Oh, maybe I should turn it this way, because this is the way things are filmed. Vanilla. Oh, another ranch. Got like 5 of these. Gotta find recipes for Parmesan cheese. Merry Christmas from the Scoresbys. What year? Plum. To make more jelly. Because grenadine. Grenadine. Fun pans. Cleaning the pantry.
Yeah?
Yeah. Popsicle molds. That's a shard of glass. Painted shelves are easier. Looks like I'm gonna need to paint. Prepping for Chex Mix. Something is not right here. Awesome apple pie filling. Okay, I think that's as far as this ADHD detour will go. They're painted, and one of my bottles is painted too. Okay, I'm glad it matches. Empty shelves. Well, except for that, and I'm going to move those and paint. Well, not paint, clean. They're already painted. But I painted those, and they match almost perfectly. And then here's what the kitchen looks like. We got stuff everywhere. That belongs to my kids. And dirty dishes, and over there, kitchen table, and the island, and over there. And I got paint in my hair. and on my pants, but I washed that off. Whose Pop-Tarts are these? The reveal. We have that shelf's almost exactly the same, but we have a much more organized, neat, and tidy pantry. I need to, if anybody wants jars, jelly jars, need to get rid of some of those. And I even did one of those things where you put the snacks in a container. There you go. All my broths, meats, jellies. There you go. I'm exhausted.